Hey, what's guys? I'm back in the video, and today we're reacting to insane semi-truck crashes. Oh boy, this should be fun. And I can already see the first frame. It's literally from California, so this should be interesting. But before I do, the original video will be linked down below. And before I do, let's get on to today's video. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Oh shit! The tow truck driver told me they would drug test the semi driver on the spot. Bro, dude, what the fuck? This motherfucker just said, get like boom, bitch, get out of my way type of shit. What the fuck? What is wrong with these semi drivers?
Shit.
Shit indeed, my friend. I'm not gonna try to say that fucking name. Oh no. Oh, this ain't going well. Yep. Saw that coming. Other truck did not stop nor saw me. That's what he said. New York. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, good save.
Pinche tro.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué hizo?
Truck driver got blinded. Luckily, I evaded. Luckily, I evaded. No one was hurt. Motherfucker, excuse me. Yo, this happened on my fucking 25th birthday last year. What the fuck? Huh? Who knew? Oh, hello. And goodbye. What the fuck were you doing? Charlotte, North Carolina. Oh no. What the fuck were you doing?
Oh my god.
Tractor trailer suddenly cut me off. Car ended up getting totaled. Dude. What the fuck? He told the police that I rear-ended him, but he didn't know I had a dash cam. What is with these people who can't take responsibility for their own actions on the road? Like, what the fuck, dude? What the... Motherfucker, what? You fucking idiot! Why were you turning left from the far right lane? Dude, I don't have my driver's license or a learner's permit yet, or even my own car yet. And even I know how to drive better than these fucking idiots. Seriously? How is it that someone who doesn't have a car, doesn't have a driver's license, or a learner's permit, know how to drive better on the road than these fucking morons with one? Like, how stupid are you? Oh my fucking god, dude. What the fuck? Virginia 1 I-64 East. Oh no. Yep, that's normally what the motherfucker you see around that part of Virginia. What the fuck?
Oh shit. Shit.
Oh no, 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 no. Motherfucker, what?
Donald Glover's major health scare. The doctor was like, you had a stroke.
What the fuck?
Man, why? Why?
New heartbreak.
Motherfucker, what? Okay. What the fuck? Oh no. You dumbass! Oh. I swear to God, some of these people are stupid. Like, how do you have a license? How do you have a license for this shit? if you're this fucking stupid. You think semis would be a little bit more smarter than your average driver, but clearly not.
You just hit me, JB Hunt! Pull it over! You hit my truck!
What the? Hello, where the fuck did you come from, bud? Hey, you just destroyed my fucking car, thanks. Not a fault accident. The truck swapped all right side and didn't even stop. No fucking shit. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, favorite, comment, and don't forget to keep it rocking. Peace out, my Cybertronians.